Day 19, change the 0.1 repeating to a fraction. So set that equal to x. Our decimal repeats in the tens place, so we'll multiply both sides by 10, and then we'll subtract off the original value for x. So 10x minus x is 9x, and 1.1 minus 0.1 is just 1. Divide both sides by 9, we find that our x is equal to 1/9. Moving on to number 2. Change 0.8 repeating to a fraction. Well, let's go ahead and ask ourselves this. If we know that when x equals 0.1 repeating, then it's equal to a 9th. Well, if x equals 0.8 repeating, what should x equal? It should equal 8/9. And that's our answer for number 2. Use what you've already done. All right. Number 3, approximate which two integers the square root of 210 is between. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. So let's do our perfect squares. I'm not going to start from 1 because you don't even start hitting 100 until you do tens. Until you do your 10. Let's just start. 10 squared is 100. 11 squared is 121. 12 squared is 144. 13 squared is 169. 14 squared is 196, much closer. And 15 squared is 225. So it's between 14 and 15. Okay, perfect. And then finally, number 4. Place the square root of 34 in the appropriate place. Well, 5 is equal to the square root of 25, and 6 is equal to the square root of 36. Well, the square root of 34 is super close to the square root of 36, so I would say that it's going to be probably between 5.8 and 6. So let's go ahead and do 5.8 squared and 5.9 squared. All right, 5.8 squared is 33.64, really close. And then 5.9 squared is 34.81. This first number is only 0.36 away from 34. And 34.81 is 0.81 away, a little bit farther away. So it's really close. The square root of 34 is very close to 5.8. It's a little bit bigger. So we'll say about here. All right. And that is all for day 19.